In this video, I will be unboxing for you the April edition of the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box. So let's get into it. I'm Amber Scott. I am the owner, maker, creator of Mountain Knit Creations. Thanks for joining me. I hope that you enjoy this video. So for April, the box was called April Showers. The April Showers treasure box. It comes with a little telling you all about it, and then what beads are available. So it came with some knotting cord, and if you watched, you can watch my live of me making a bracelet with this knotting cord, and then the check fire polished round beads here, and also the lava beads is what my bracelet was made out of. It's around here somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. There's also Potomac crystal brios. There's 6 by 12, and there's 12 of them in a pack. These would be very pretty little dangles. And then you've seen the nylon, and then here is the lava and the fire polished round. Some jump rings. Don't need to pull those out. They're pretty self-explanatory. Ooh, these are check glass puffed oval beads in turquoise. Oh, these are pretty. How pretty is that? Let's see if you can get to see the variegated lines in it and stuff. It's having trouble focusing. There we go. How pretty are those, right? Then some check glass square beads, black diamond. That's one of the things I love about Potomac is they have so many different shapes and holes and different things. Their beads are different than any other shop. Look at those. So pretty. Some very nice ear wires. And then these cutie. How cute are these little clouds with raindrops? And then faceted round beads in black diamond. Nice smoky color. Definitely a feeling of a stormy day, which we have going on right now. And then these are cool. These are a mix. The daffodil are blooming check bead mix. There are green ones too, but I didn't grab any. But they have heart shape. They have like donut, round, all kinds of different shapes going on here. Let me pull a green one out of there so we can see the whole mix, right? Ooh, this is a different one. I don't know what shape this is, but it's like a 2-hole something. Very pretty. So it's got all kinds of yellows and whites and oranges and a green. Very pretty little daffodil mix. And then we have the Athena cast here. Metal beads. Beautiful spacers. Look at the color in those. So pretty. I love the look of this strand with the tassels on the end. So pretty. Look at that. How fun is that it came that way? So these are the crystal bicone beads, mix Caribbean beaches. Look at that color combo. Woo! Those greens and blues. So pretty. Then we have the mini duo and blue metallic. So duos usually have 2 holes. But they're minis, so they're super tiny. And then we have this gorgeous pewter pearl strand. Look at those. How pretty are those, right? Ooh, this blue. Pastel petrol. They're round trio. So how many holes, friends? That means 3 holes, right? But these are fun to work with. And they make bead like weaving and stitching easier sometimes. You can do some unique things. Oh, wait until you see these beautiful pewter buttons. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh, I love the flower on it. The detailing is gorgeous. So pretty. Ooh, look at that Rivoli. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. And then some 11O sea beads. Look at that color combo. So pretty. This is metallic blue iris. So pretty. And there you have it, friends. There is all of our beads for this month. How pretty, right? How beautiful. Thank you, Potomac. Well, for last month. And that is our April edition. Stay tuned for the May box and also for some designs on the fly. Join me Mondays at 1 for just crafting along with Amber. Bring your craft projects, hang out with me. And also, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.